Hi, good morning. I'm Aditya Bharadwaj from team eyecoders. We are working on domain blockchain, and our problem statement was develop a blockchain-based platform that enhances supply chain transparency and accountability for businesses. As we know, supply chain is always hard to manage and require a lot of administrative machinery. However, when managed with smart contracts using blockchain, a lot of paperwork is reduced. Also, it leads to an increase in the transparency and helps to build an efficient root of trust. Supply Chain DApp, which is the name that of the product that we have built, is such an implementation of a supply chain management system which uses blockchain to ensure a transparent and secure transfer of product from the manufacturer to the customer. As we know, supply chain flow, the manufacturer creates the product, develop the product, and lists it somewhere on e-commerce website or some other website. Now the third party or the wholesaler can request for the product and order a product from the manufacturer. Now manufacturer accept that request and sends to the third party. Now third party have the product. Now customer can order it from the third party, or we say third party a wholesaler. Now in between them, delivery hub plays an important role, as the third party accept the request of the customer order, it sends to the delivery hub. Now delivery hub sends the product to the customer, and that's how product life cycle at we know, right? So the approach of us building the product for the problem is, so the smart contract is being written with Solidity, which is then compiled, migrated, and deployed using truffle.js on the local blockchain network created using Ganache CLI. The front end uses Web3.js to communicate with the smart contract and local blockchain network, and is written using React.js framework for better component and state lifecycle management. Now I will quickly go through the code and we will see the demo of our project. So here we can see our code. Here are the contracts pages. We have four different people or players in the project: customer, delivery hub, manufacturer, and the third party, which is wholesaler. Now we can run the project using npm start, which I have already started. So here here is our product. So we can assign roles of different people, that is manufacturer, wholesaler, delivery hub, and customer, of unique different metamask addresses, account addresses. So I have already added rules to them. We can see in the metamask here, there is manufacturer, this is third party, delivery hub, and customer address. Now we will quickly log in as a manufacturer, and we will list a product. IT industry, name of the manufacturer name is a software and hardware company, right? We will give some random latitude and longitude. Product name is, we want is a printer. Product code we will give 333, and product price is 15,000, and product category is hardware, right? We will submit, and we have to confirm the metamask request, authorize it. Here we are confirming the request, and the product is now listed. Now we will log in as a third party or wholesaler to order that product. Here we are switching the account to the third party. Here now we will log in as a third party or wholesaler. Here we can see IT industry created at 8.1, that is printer. Now we can buy the product. Again, whenever like it buys the product, a request goes to manufacturer, and manufacturer ships the product. Now we are switching the account to manufacturer here. Now here we can see here. Now we will ship the product. Here we are confirming the request, request is confirmed. Now we will again log in as a third party and accept the product. We can see receive product. Here we are seeing IT industry printer, that is at 8 o'clock. We are receiving the product. Here we will give again some random latitude and longitude. These latitude and longitude are for the purposes for tracking where the product is. So we can give the actual latitude and longitude too. For the testing purposes, I am giving the random values. Now the product have reached the third party. Now the customer can order it from the third party. We will see now log in as a customer and order that product. So customer address here. Now we will log in as a customer and we will see, right, this one, IT industry and printer. Now we will buy it. It sends a request to the third party. Now we will again log in as a third party. So this is like little bit walk around. We are switching the accounts which after deployment will be signed in as a different user, so it will be like smoother process. So here we will again log in as a third party and we will ship the product. Here IT industry printer. Now after shipment it reaches the delivery hub. Now we will log in as a delivery hub account and we can see the product there too. Delivery hub, here it is. Now we will log in as a delivery hub and we will receive the product. We will give again some random latitude and longitude. We are receiving this product from the third party. Now we are confirming the request. Now we will ship the product to the customer, right? So we are shipping the product. Now we will log in as a customer and we can see the product in our list. So I'm just changing the address of the customer here and now we will receive the product. Here we can see created at 81 printer. We will receive it and yeah, now we can see our past orders too in the your product section. And here we can see IT industry project created at 8 o'clock 1 minute, that is printer. Now this the whole flow is completed, product cycle is completed. We can also see the product at a particular moment where it is. We will see like the recent product we have created, universal product ID was 7. So here we can see 7 universal IDs manufactured at that which time and right, received by wholesaler and the price of it. We can see the details of it. So the main part of our product is the products explorer page. Here we can track the product where it is at a given stage and time. So we can search the product using the universal ID we give to the product. So right now we can see the 7. So it is name of the manufacturer, IT industry, software, hardware company. We can see the universal ID, manufacturer, last action. So last action was received by customer, right? We can see the details, price and all. So yeah, that was all about our project and how we have developed it. Thank you.